YSL Rico trial, state gets 48-hour extension to respond to motions to recuse judge. The trial has been at a standstill since last Monday, pending a decision on whether or not to recuse Judge Glenville from the case.
As you come on to the page, kindly hit the like bell, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. And don't forget to put on the notification bell, so you can be notified when I drop the next video. Thank you.
11 alive staff. Atlanta, the long-running YSL Rico trial against Young Thug and his co-defendants will remain paused for the next couple of days following a new motion from the state asking for more time to respond to the motions about the presiding judge's fate on the case. Monday, prosecutors filed a motion asking for a 48-hour extension to file a written response regarding previously filed motions by defendants asking for Judge Glenville to step aside from the case. The motion was filed about an hour and a half before the 5 p.m. deadline set by Judge Rachel Krause last week, and around 4:40 p.m., an order was filed granting the extended deadline. The state now has until July 10 at 5 p.m. to file its written response. The trial has been paused since July 1, pending a decision on whether or not to recuse Glenville. Time is of the essence given that a jury trial is currently paused pending resolution of these recusal motions, Krause's order last week said. It came after attorneys for Demond Kendrick filed a motion on the same day pushing to disqualify any Fulton County Superior judges from ruling on the motions for recusal. Wherefore, Mr. Kendrick respectfully requests that Judge Krause, and any other judge within Fulton County, recuse themselves from hearing Kendrick's motion on recusal and facilitate such actions as necessary to have the motion heard by a judge outside of Fulton County Superior Court, the motion from Kendrick's attorney read. Some of the recent contention stems from a June 10 meeting that Young Thug's lawyers called unlawful between the court and prosecutors, including Kenneth Copeland, a sworn witness who was given immunity on June 7. Attorneys for Kendrick previously stated they were not provided notice of the meeting and added that they were in the dark. Multiple attorneys for the defense called Glenville biased and want another judge assigned to the case and for any further meetings, and transcripts from those meetings, to be disclosed.
Well, tonight the future of the YSL Rico trial involving rapper Young Thug is in, limbo after a motion to take this case away from Fulton County. And 11 Alive's Grace King is explaining why the defendants want a judge outside of the county to weigh in.
What I want to know is why wasn't I there? Why, sir, I'm going to hold you in contempt.
After weeks of tension, Judge Glenville letting someone else decide whether he should stay on the YSL Rico case or recuse himself after allegations of improper conduct during an ex parte or private conversation between Glenville, prosecutors, and Lil Woody, a witness who refused to testify on the stand. The meeting did not include defense attorneys.
This is a really serious and scary moment for everybody involved in this case. It could spell the end of the state's effort to pursue justice, or it could lengthen the already longest trial George has ever seen.
Criminal defense attorney Joshua Schiffer, who isn't involved with the case, says the question now is who's qualified to make that decision. Fulton Judge Belinda Edwards immediately recused herself after being assigned the case, and with the new motion, the attorney for Diamante Kendrick is hoping Judge Rachel Krause will do the same.
It's alleging that due to Judge Glenville's existing relationship with the rest of the bench and his behaviors in this specific trial, there's no way an independent ruling can be issued by anyone in Fulton County.
In downtown Atlanta, Grace King, 11 Alive News.
Last week, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Glenville abruptly halted the trial indefinitely until another judge reviews motions from Young Thug and others who have accused the judge of misconduct and want him recused from the case. YSL Rico trial, state gets 48-hour extension to respond to motions to recuse judge.
As you leave the page, don't forget to hit the like bell, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. Thank you for watching.